Hey there, welcome to my channel. I'm Daniel Norton, photographer here in New York City, and I asked you guys, how did I like this? This one was a fun one. I was shooting this for actually a musician a while back, and she wanted very distinctly warm, cool kind of contrast and some detail in the clothes, so we kind of were playing around with ideas of gels. Gels are always fun to mess with, and I think that's probably pretty obvious as you look at it. There's a couple of different gels going on here. We've got a blue gel here, which is basically hitting the side of her and also lighting the background. It's in a hard-ish source. You can kind of see the vignette here because I'm basically shooting it in like a reflector light, okay? And then I've got a second light coming from the back, which you can see here, adding some color that way. You can also see it, this is how you know it's coming from the back. You can see it on her hand and on her arm back there. So it's on the side of her. It's kind of like a hair light, but I'm crossing the other direction. This one is also in a hard reflector, and the reason why I'm doing that is I don't want it to spill in the background, right? I want this background to stay blue. And then we filled in the face and the rest of the body with another light. This light was a softbox. It was a kind of a medium-sized softbox, not super small, not super big, but it was backed up. So basically it created a punchier light, but still it was nice and even over her whole body, and we can see it on the arm. You can see the shadow transitions here. So basically we're looking at a kind of a soft key light, medium soft key light, and then two other lights coming in, a kind of frontal / background hair light, which is here, because again, you can see it on her hair too, a 100% from the rear red light that we can see in here in her hand. I'm putting a lot of marks on this. And then again, that gives us that overall kind of fun look here. If you like videos like this one, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. If you haven't already, ring the bell so you get notifications, and also check the show notes. Down there, you're going to find a link to my Patreon and also to my Discord server. Join the conversation, support the channel, ring the bell, do all the good YouTube stuff. I'll talk to you soon.